Hello there, peoples of the internets, once again to another devlog, finally! Oh my gosh, it's been like way too long, but I am back with the devlogs, and I will be on track from here on out. Why are we looking at a YouTube page? Because I wanted to give a couple shout-outs before we moved on. Big shout-out to Andy Solis and his a couple of his tutorials. They really helped in the Ludum Dare, and I learned a lot about level changing and stuff like that from him, so go check him out, link in the description. As well, Hamenopi, I hope I'm pronouncing that right, Hamenopi, one of those. Very cool guy, does a lot of cool devlog videos, sort of like me, and he has other stuff as well, so go check him out, awesome stuff. Also, not really a shout out, but last thing I had to get through was I just now, earlier today, joined the Game Jolt community. And I put up the Journey Home, my Ludum Dare 30 game, as a thing. So please show your support, leave a comment maybe, try it out on the page. Download is right here, I'll leave the link in the description as always, and yeah. So without further ado, let's get into the update. You'll notice that this is 13.2 that I'm playing instead of 13.3. The reason for that is 13.3 is with music and it kind of drowns out my voice. Actually, I'll give you a quick sneak peek of that. I mean, you already heard the music, but oh, it's so good. Oh, it's so good. Okay, but the entire devlog would kind of get drowned out by that. So we will be in silence. Anyway, I did a lot of cool stuff. First off, as I've shown with the whatchamacallit, on Facebook, right, Facebook. I showed off this algorithm I was creating for creating tile transitions, so between tiles. So instead of having a just standard, like here you can see it, sort of like squares that look kind of ugly and not natural, I have it where it takes the two tiles and blends them together. So right here you can see that with the gravel and the grass, and I haven't implemented it for every tile yet, so that's why some of them have it and some of them don't, and some of them have it all over the place like this, and some of them only have it like top down. But the gravel and grass are finished, so I'll just run through really quickly and show off all this stuff to you guys. So it looks a lot more natural, I think, and yeah, I'm pretty proud of that. It cuts down on the amount of art and work actually with not just art, but also creating levels that I have to do because this is all automatic. So yeah, it's pretty cool. Also, another thing, let me just check the thing. Oh, right, with inventory, I did a bit more stuff with that. So right here, all the items just start off in the corner, but they won't be clumped up like that when you pick them up, obviously. The picking up is still sort of broken, the algorithm for that, for like registering that it picks up. It doesn't start from the top left. It starts from the bottom right instead, which is wrong. It starts from there instead of there. But yeah. Anyway, sprite rotation. Bam! Look at that. It's actually a bit more visible with the axes. So total sprite rotation one way and the other. So two that way, the other two that way, but yeah, so like that or like that. Totally works, and it also registers with collision, so these two axes wouldn't be able to... Oh, actually, yes, they will. The reason for that is I started working with stacking, and right now it's not perfect because you can just like, if any, it'll just like makes it so that items of the same type can overlap, but it wouldn't be able to, for example, overlap with that. See that? So yeah, that's cool, I think. Also, what else? Let me check. Oh yeah, wait. The crafting. I haven't implemented crafting yet. It doesn't even really like go into the thing, but it will be implemented where basically you have like crafting where you put items together. Like for example, if this was crafting right here and this right here, so I would like do something like crazy like that, like, hey, it's a potion on a stick, and then it would register and create a magical potion on a stick. or like, I don't know, this kind of looks like a staff of some sort. I don't know. So that's in the works. It isn't working yet though. So yeah, but everything that involves items will look like this. So chests where you can loot stuff will look like smaller versions of the inventory where it's all size based and you just take it and put it in your inventory. So that's that. What else? What else? Oh yeah, big thing. I got rid of the lighting, the tile lighting rather. The entity lighting all works and it's all nice. But the tile lighting is gone, and the reason for that is, as you can see, even with my recording software, I'm running at around 100 frames a second, 95 frames a second. Before, with the tile lighting, I was running at about maybe 15, 16 frames per second. It was terrible. So I got rid of it because it just doesn't work. And I actually don't even really like the look of it at this point because it doesn't work with the entity lighting, which is a lot more smooth, like circles and stuff. So I think I'll just have, if I ever have light emitting tiles, I'll just have them emit circular lights like this, which it's no big deal. Yes, what else? Worked on inventory, right, crafting, main theme implemented, heard that. Oh yeah, I can't really show it off yet because I haven't made a way to do it yet, but I'm starting to implement things that I learned from the Ludum game. So basically a lot of restructuring with state management, like the main menu, the pause menu, and all that. Nothing's working just yet with that stuff, but it will be. And also the level changing. I learned, one big thing was I learned level changing, how to do that in the Ludum Dare. So I'll be implementing that with a Peasant's Tale, and we'll have multiple levels, and yay. Also, another thing to look out for is I'm going to be trying to arrange once I finish the inventory stuff and the state management stuff and maybe make a couple extra levels, I'll be putting together a playable demo of the game. So possibly within the next month, but probably in the month after that, so probably in October, you should see a demo come out. And at that point, or around that point, I'll put out a Peasant's Tale onto Game Jolt as well as Journey Home. Hey guys, one more thing I wanted to show off that I made pretty much right after I finished the main chunk of the recording. Was I did something I'd like to call controlled scrolling. So basically, if you get to the edges of the map, as you can see right here, I've gotten to the edge of the X part of the map. The map won't continue scrolling so that I look out into the endless void because like that it looks ugly and it's nasty. Like this is the logical end of the map. And I'll probably do something with game design. I don't know why there's a small tree inside of a big tree right here. But I'll do something along with game design that you can't really like. There will be a logical reason why you can't pass this point. Like maybe a fallen tree or something, but like it won't just be like, oh, there's still grass here, why can't I keep going? Because I think that just breaks immersion. So anyway, yeah, just a quick thing I did, and it's all on all four corners. So top, down, left, right. As you can see here right now, I'm just freely moving. And yes, that is pretty much it. I'll also probably polish it up where your head isn't just chopped off over there, or your side isn't chopped off there. But that's pretty much it. So yeah, go check that stuff out, and I'll be done rambling for this video. Yes, that is it for now, guys, and goodbye!